Let's learn about building chart reports. I'm a maintenance planner and have been tasked to put our reports in chart format so management can have a high-level picture of our maintenance operations. From my main menu, I click on Report Widgets to access the graphic reports. From the report widget, I can build or modify this chart. I'm able to categorize this report by selecting the report area. Next is the description, where we can add more details about the chart. I simply check this box to put this on my Maintenance Advisor dashboard at any time. Under the Data area, I need to tell the system what type of chart this is. I'm using a bar chart, but in most cases the information will translate to each chart type equally. Next are the two major components to the chart: the x-axis, what it is I'm displaying, and the y-axis, what it is I'm calculating. In either area, there are two factors to consider: the record area and the field I want to display, as well as the record area and field I want to calculate. In this chart, I'm looking for total cost of maintenance by work order type. For the x-axis, I'm pulling the values from the work order records area, and from there, I'm displaying the work order type field. The same rule applies for my y-axis. I want to calculate the total cost, so my calculated record area again will be work order records, and my calculated field will be total cost. I can also display additional calculated fields on this chart by clicking this button and following the same rules. For example, I could choose to see the labor cost on this chart. Then I choose how I want this value to be calculated in the Summary of Calculated field. In my chart, I'm going to sum this value. Once I have my record areas and fields set up, I'll choose my display range and display sort. If there are too many values to display cleanly, I can use the display range. For example, I can show the top 10 values or bottom 5 values. I also have the opportunity to decide how the chart sorts and displays. I've decided to use min to max. Under Options, we're able to show labels on the report to see the values displayed over the bars, as well as set the access type. I'm good with this chart being both public and editable. Lastly, if I need to narrow down my data, I just select the data filters. Here I've set this chart to display for this year specifically. Once I'm done, I click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. For questions on this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.